Hi, Nurse Lloyd here, and I'm going to recap the supplements I take weekly and daily and put together my little uh, pill organizer container and show how it doesn't take that long basically to put together. I know that I can very much slack on this, but I know if I do this once a week and have it ready to go, I'm way more likely to take my supplements daily. These can be purchased at any local pharmacy, online, Amazon, wherever you want. Just like all of these supplements, I have not been prescribed any medication personally. So um, we'll start with the magnesium here. Got 2 magnesium per day, and once again, it helps with muscle health, sleep, bone health, cardiovascular health, and a lot of different things magnesium really helps with. So I take 2 of those per day, and I order specific magnesium glycinate from online because mag oxide is the only kind that you get over the counter in the store. Next one, fish oil. Lots of good benefits from your heart to your eyes to your skin, to your immune system to your muscles. A lot of bodybuilders are very big on taking their fish oil several times a day because it helps with different muscle growth and building. I actually personally do not mind how fish oil tastes. Some people have issues with it. You can get the kind that does not have like purified to remove mercury, so you don't have like that fish taste. Here's vitamin D3, which can help with energy, mood, um, different hormone secretion, bone health. Vitamin D3 is a very good one. That also very tiny pill that is not tough to swallow. Okay, there's that one. Here's my daily aspirin. I have the traditional coded for GI issues, for GI upset, but I prefer the chewable one. And they say if you're having a heart attack that you should just chew up whatever aspirin you have. But that's where it's good to have the chewable on call just in case you need it. And so that's my aspirin, and here is the COQ10. I'm actually about out. I need to order. Alexa, add CQ10 to the grocery list. You already have C. Q. 10 on the grocery. Perfect, perfect. Ginkgo for memory support. And so ginkgo and B12, they both can like harden if they're not kept in their containers. So I just leave those in there, and I just remember that I need those. And then here's saw palmetto, which is for your prostate support. I actually combined my over-the-counter one with this one, so I've got a little bit mixture of both. This is one that I purchased online as well as over the counter several times. And then milk thistle. And the final one I need to put in here is milk thistle. Now this is for your kidney and liver support, and just kind of protects, detoxes them, that type of thing. And coming from a history of alcoholism where my father passed away from it, that is why I like to take it just in case, to give myself the best chance of having a good, strong liver in the long term. And so let's take a look. They all fit just fine. I put a pretty good amount in there. Let's see how. So I got 2 that I grab. I grab my ginkgo. I grab my B12. Need a new one of these. So that is a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 supplements I take every day. two of them, actually 11 with the other two. Two of them are like chewables or quick dissolves, and then the rest are just swallow. I don't have an issue swallowing pills. If you are one that has an issue swallowing pills, I would suggest taking some with applesauce or with pudding. I've seen people do very well with that. And then also just remember, none of this is medical advice. Still consult your doctor and find out which is best for you in terms of these supplements, and get their recommendations. And also just make sure you do your own research, find out what you think is best for you, and mainly just good luck when it comes to your journey, when it comes to your health and your long-term health. And thank you so much for being here, and please like and subscribe for more videos when it comes to your health in the future.